Cartagena, officially known as Cartagena de Indias, is a coastal city located on the northern coast of Colombia along the Caribbean Sea. Founded in 1533 by Spanish commander Pedro de Heredia, Cartagena quickly became a key port for the Spanish Empire. The city played a crucial role in the transatlantic slave trade, serving as a major hub for the importation of enslaved Africans to the Americas. Cartagena's iconic old town, known as Ciudad Amurallada, Walled City, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for its well-preserved colonial architecture. The city is famous for its vibrant streets filled with colorful colonial buildings adorned with bougainvillea and balconies. Cartagena's walls, built between the 16th and 18th centuries, are some of the most extensive fortifications in the Americas, stretching over 11 kilometers. The Castillo San Felipe de Barajas, a formidable fortress built by the Spanish, is the largest military structure ever built by the Spanish in their colonies. The city is home to the historic San Pedro Claver Church, dedicated to the Spanish priest who devoted his life to helping enslaved Africans. Cartagena hosts the International Film Festival, which attracts filmmakers and enthusiasts from around the world, showcasing both local and international cinema. The Caribbean coast of Cartagena boasts beautiful beaches, including Playa Blanca and Boca Grande, popular for sunbathing and water sports. Cartagena is known for its vibrant street life, featuring musicians, dancers, and vendors that create a lively atmosphere throughout the city. The city's cuisine reflects its diverse cultural influences, with seafood being a staple ingredient, often prepared in Caribbean styles. The annual Hay Festival in Cartagena celebrates literature and the arts, bringing together writers, thinkers, and artists for discussions and performances. Cartagena was a significant stop on the route for ships transporting gold and other treasures back to Spain, making it a target for pirates. Sir Francis Drake famously attacked Cartagena in 1586, leading to significant destruction and loss of treasure for the Spanish. The famous pirate Edward Blackbeard Teach also targeted Cartagena, reflecting the city's tumultuous history during the age of piracy. Cartagena's climate is tropical, with warm temperatures year-round, making it a popular tourist destination, especially during the dry season from December to March. The city has a rich Afro-Caribbean culture that is celebrated through music, dance, and festivals, particularly the annual Carnaval de Cartagena. The local music scene is vibrant, with genres such as champeta and cumbia originating from the region, reflecting its African and indigenous roots. Cartagena is also known for its literary connections, as Gabriel Garcia Marquez, the Nobel Prize-winning author, frequently visited the city. The modern district of Boca Grande features high-rise hotels and condominiums, showcasing the city's blend of historical and contemporary architecture. The city has a thriving art scene, with numerous galleries and artisan markets offering local crafts, jewelry, and artwork. Cartagena is a popular cruise ship destination, attracting thousands of visitors who come to explore its historic sites and natural beauty. The Plaza Santo Domingo is famous for its lively atmosphere, outdoor cafes, and the iconic sculpture Gertrudis by Fernando Botero. Cartagena's nightlife is vibrant, with numerous bars, clubs, and live music venues that come alive after dark. The city has multiple parks and plazas, such as Parque de la Marina and Plaza de los Coches, providing green spaces for relaxation and socializing. Cartagena is surrounded by beautiful islands, including the Rosario Islands, which are known for their stunning beaches and snorkeling opportunities. The biodiversity of the region includes a wide variety of tropical flora and fauna, making it a popular spot for ecotourism. The city has a booming real estate market, driven by both local and international investment, particularly in tourism-related properties. Cartagena's public transportation includes a bus system and taxis, but many visitors prefer walking to explore the city's charming streets. The city is known for its street food, with vendors offering delicious snacks such as arepas, empanadas, and fresh coconut water. The Festival of the Old City celebrates Cartagena's heritage with music, dance, and cultural performances that highlight its history and traditions. Cartagena is home to the Naval Museum, which showcases the city's maritime history and its importance as a naval base during colonial times. The city has several universities and educational institutions, contributing to a vibrant student population and intellectual atmosphere. Cartagena's architecture features a mix of colonial, Baroque, and neoclassical styles, reflecting the various periods of its history. The city is often referred to as La Heroica, the heroic city, for its resistance against pirate attacks and its role in Colombia's independence. Cartagena has a strong coffee culture, with numerous cafes serving locally sourced coffee, which is highly regarded in Colombia. The city celebrates various religious festivals throughout the year, such as the Feast of St. Peter Claver, drawing both locals and tourists. The surrounding Caribbean Sea is rich in marine life, making it a popular destination for diving and snorkeling enthusiasts. Cartagena has a significant LGBTQ+ community, with inclusive events and venues that celebrate diversity. The city has a number of museums, including the Palace of the Inquisition, which details the history of the Spanish Inquisition in the region. Cartagena's economic growth is partly fueled by tourism, which has become one of the main sources of income for the local economy. The city was once the seat of power for the Spanish Viceroyalty of New Granada, making it a crucial political center in colonial times. The historic Plaza de la Aduana is one of the largest squares in Cartagena, surrounded by important colonial buildings. The Caribbean influence is evident in Cartagena's festivals, with colorful parades and traditional music filling the streets during celebrations.